Consider t raised to 6, okay. Now we have this formula, a cube plus b cube is equals to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square, okay. Now this can be written as 1 to 2 t4 plus 1, and here t cube raised to t square, okay. That's like t square raised to cube plus 1 cube dt, okay, is same as here 1 to 2 t4 plus 1, a cube plus b cube is what I'll get, a plus b means what, t square plus 1, here a square means t raised to 4 minus t square plus 1 into dt, okay. Here this is we have, okay, this is bracket. Now here we have t4, okay, so plus 1 is there, okay. Let's adjust this. We have t4 plus 1, t4 plus 1, so let's adjust minus t square plus t square, okay. This equals to here 1 to 2 t4 minus t square plus 1. I need this minus t square is extra plus t square, so I will write this bracket upon what we have is t square plus 1 into t4 minus t square plus 1, okay. Now what I can do is this upon this and this upon this. This is same as, now this upon this means what, I will get integral 1 to 2 1 upon t square plus 1 dt plus, okay, this upon this, okay, here integral 1 to 2 t square upon whole this is same as this, okay. So I will write t6 is same as t cube the whole square plus 1 dt, okay. Now if I consider t cube is equals to u, if I substitute u equals to t cube, then du equals to what, 3t square dt, okay, dt by 3, let's see. So therefore this I am getting as dt by 3, okay. Let's change the limit also. When t tends to 1, u tends to what? When t tends to 1, u tends to 1. When t tends to 2, u tends to 2. To cube is what, 8, okay. Now what about this integration, okay. This integration is what, tan inverse t, and limit is from what, 1 to 2 plus, now this, okay, here what we have is integral this t square dt is what, 1 by 3, I am taking outside. Here I have t square, and now this become what, du, right, du upon this is what, u square plus 1, okay. Now limit is from 1 to 8, okay. Now here if I substitute here, I will get tan inverse 2 minus tan inverse 1 is what, pi by 45 degree, pi by 4 plus 1 by 3, integration of this is what, 7 tan inverse u 1 to 8 is same as tan inverse 2 minus pi by 4 plus 1 by 3. Here upper limit is what, tan inverse 8 minus 1 by 3, then tan inverse 1 is what, pi by 4, okay. Here pi by 4 is equals to here what we have, tan inverse 2 plus 1 by 3 tan inverse 8 minus pi by 4 here what we have, minus pi by 12, okay. This is the required answer, okay.